6.5, and she's a certified facilitator of access consciousness, and she's a CPCK, conscious parents, conscious kids facilitator, and now she's going to soon become a joy of business facilitator. And what else, Chandana? I mean, and she's
also
a talk to the
entities.
Yeah, talk to the
and I'm a Creating Beyond creator and facilitator.
Yeah, and she's got a specialty class which has been approved by Access Consciousness. It's her own class called Creating Beyond. Okay, and it's a brilliant class. She's conducted a lot of classes in India here. I've attended one of them too. So yeah, and so today she's going to talk about a little bit about foundation. And if you guys have any questions regarding foundation, how we're going to go about it, also what foundation can cover up, so please ask questions. And yeah, okay, Chanda, I leave that to you now.
Thank you, sweetie pie. Thanks.
Yeah.
This is firstly, I want to thank you for coordinating this, and thank you, Tamanna, for
Tamanna,
my pleasure.
Thank you,
Tamanna. Thank you so much at such a quick notice, and you guys,
you guys just hopped on. I'm so grateful for you.
Thank you.
And Rani,
hi,
Bra.
Hi, Rani.
Hi, Rani. Hi. Asha, is Asha trying to connect to audio, or is Asha on?
Trying to connect, yeah, that's what it looks like.
Probably, Asha, you could leave and then hop on again. That could probably be easier for you if you're having a problem connecting sometimes to Zoom.
The thing is that they all are at work.
Oh, okay, right.
Yeah, so they're trying to kind of.
I get that.
Yeah.
Okay. Sneak in an hour to cheat into Access Consciousness. Yeah, so, well, thank you, Kanika, for such a beautiful introduction. I didn't know. I have done pretty much well in life so far, so good. I had a lot of crap also in life before that. Many years before that. Feels like
a lot was unsaid, Chandana, because I forgot.
Oh no, sweetheart. It's just so beautiful. Thank you for that acknowledgement of me and my contribution. I'm just so grateful.
So I have personally done like around 5 foundations with Chandana. I've hosted her a couple of times in my city, Hyderabad, and I've done like twice talk to the entities with her. So yeah, it's been a brilliant journey with her, and I have a very good compatibility in the sense I love this woman. So that's the only thing.
So do I. So do I. Yeah. So when I actually started with Access around 5.5, 6, or 6.5 years back, I don't even know, time just seems to be so irrelevant now. And when I started with Access before that, I had a lot of issues with my body. I had something known as fibromyalgia, which I had been fighting for almost 47 years of my life. No, I was 47 when I got introduced to Access. I'd been fighting it for about 19 years of my life because I was on a lot of medication. So if anyone who knows about fibromyalgia, there is no treatment, there is no cure. The only thing that the doctors can give you is antidepressants because they believe it's a depression problem. It really is not a depression problem. It's just a product of having very intense awareness and not knowing what to do with it. So in the medical industry, in the medical community, there is no treatment for any of these so-called problems which really have no reason. There is no reason. You can go in for a MRI, you can go in for an X-ray, you can go in for any of these nerve testings, which I had so many of them, and nothing would ever come in them. It was always clear. And can you imagine, there was a time when I would go with my husband, I would tell him, I said, Raj, I hope something comes out. At least I'll know what medication I need to take. You know, I used to be so frustrated with the pain in my body, not knowing what to do with it, because whoever saw it, they would say, oh, psychological hai, you know, kuch bhi nahi hai, psychological hai, khush raho bache, stress mat lo. And I was like, what the shit, don't you see my body hurts so badly? I could not get up for weeks, sometimes for months. It used to be immense pain. And it was just, I had done everything. Like, I mean, guys, when I say everything, I really mean everything. I went to gurus, I went to astrologers, I went to homeopathy, Ayurveda, magnotherapy, water therapy, sab kuch kiya. And everything contributed, I must say, everything contributed to me being where I am today. I did a lot of chanting for almost 3 years. Everything contributed to me, but nothing really cured, nothing really got me to be able to stand on my feet and run around and do my stuff and be happy and say, I have a painless body. Access, when I actually literally bumped into it, because I was really resisting Access. I found it really crazy and stupid. And I was like, how could you run some bars and say, Sab theek ho jayega? Like, pagalpanti, I've done so much of real serious stuff, you know, and that hasn't helped. How the hell can someone call me and say, this will help you? And anyhow, there was an energy there which was kind of tugging at me. So I'd get up in the morning and I would be like lying in bed saying, oh my God, this pain. And you know, it's so funny because when you have this body pain, along with the body pain, you start to see everything around you literally crumble in front of you. You know, your relationship start to go kind of sour with friends who you had really close to you, because you don't have the energy, you don't have in this reality we call it patience. You don't have the patience to even see yourself through stuff, because all that you're looking at is, oh my God, my body hurts, how do I change this? So for me, the only thing that was of any criteria was to change my body, because of which my relationships began to suffer. Financially, my husband's factories, which we had two of them, both of them shut down, where it was like money flows began to dry up. And I was like, what is this? Everything seems to be going wrong. And that was when I probably asked a question. I probably asked a question to the universe, and which had Access come into my life. And I chose the bars. I chose the bars class. And after getting my bars run, the first night I slept without pain. And I got up the next morning and I had no pain in my body. And even today, when I say it, guys, my whole life, my whole body, my whole being is so, I'm so grateful to Access. My whole life changed in just one session of ours, or one class. And after the class, I did the foundation, and I had a painless body the next day, but the pain was still there. I was still on medication. I was on 100 milligram Symbol, which is an antidepressant, although I had no depression. But strangely enough, the only medication that the doctor kept giving me was 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So by the time I came into Access, I had progressed slowly and steadily to 100 milligram. And from the bars class, I chose the foundation because for the first time, my husband looked at me and said, I don't know, you just look happier. So I don't know what this crazy stuff is. It doesn't make sense. Don't ask me to come with you. You go for it. It's crazy and it's bloody expensive. At that time, our only idea was it's too expensive. Can't do it. Can't do it. It's too expensive. We had all those reasons and justifications not to do it. And I went for the foundation. And today I don't take any medication. I am off Symbol totally. And the doctors look at me and tell me, don't give it up. Dard wapas aa jayega. And it's been 6.5 years and the pain hasn't come back. And what else is possible? What else is truly possible, guys? And I just like to bring to the world, bring to each one of you, which I would tell Kanika too. It's not if you choose the class or not. It's not if you sit in a class, if you come to my class or somebody else, it's not about that. It's about go use the tools. The tools are so simple. Even if you just get your bars run every day or every other day, or if you get to go to a class and use the tools, your life will change. It will change. This is not a story. This is not someone else telling you. This is me with a body that the doctors had given up on, not knowing what to do with it. Totally changed. I travel the world. I have not had an attack since 6 years. And I feel happy to share that our factories, which had shut down, and it was a really bad state. We had gone into debt. We were in a complete mess financially, from being from having one of the biggest factories in Punjab back then, and coming to a state of having zero money and in debt. Today we are actually debt free, and factories are doing well, and husband is happy again, and so am I, and so are the kids. And my older daughter is also a CF. She's also a certified facilitator, and we both facilitate the foundation together. Yeah, and we just have fun. And I would love to take any questions that you have, if you have any. I'm sorry about that noise. There's some work happening in the back.
If you could give us a briefing exactly what the foundation is, so those who don't know what it is, and
Sure.
there are some, maybe one or two on the call who have not done the bars as yet, and
Awesome.
they are
Oh,
planning to do it.
wonderful. Yeah,
So if you could give them a little insight into what it
for
is.
sure, for sure. Just a yeah, sorry. So, well, the bars is 32 points on our heads that when touched releases the limitations that are attached to whether it's money, whether it's your body, whether it's relationships, whether it's see, there's a point known as kindness, gratitude, peace, and calm. It's like one of the most underestimated three beautiful aspects of our life, which when we start to include in our everyday life, changes our reality. And just by touching those points, your life starts to change, literally. And what the bars class does for all of you for any of you who've not attended it, it introduces you to the basic tools of access. So it's like you will be introduced to a few of the few questions that you can ask. You will be introduced to the clearing statement, which is right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine shots, boys and beyonds. The clearing statement is a magical wand, literally a magical wand. You say it and you clear whatever energy is keeping your limitation in place. So it's like, for instance, if you have, like for me, my body was a limitation. What I would have chosen was fibromyalgia back then. And keeping that in place is another point of view that I have, that I can't change it. This is just an example, right? The doctor's telling me that you can't change it. That's what creates the limitation that doesn't allow me to change it. Because your points of views create your reality. So when you start to, and we have so many such points of views, right? I mean, even if you start looking at every point of view of yours, you are still not going to have enough time looking at each of them because we have so many of them. So many of them that you bought from family, from friends, from society, from the country you live in, from the family you've come from the family you get married into, all these points, the society, your friends, your religion, your culture, your ethnicity, everything teaches you literally to buy points of views. So, and your past lifetimes, of course, how can we forget that? So when you start looking at all your points of view, there's so many of them that even if you start to physically pock and pod each one of them, you will not be able to complete them even for the next 100 years. But what the clearing statement does is it actually, when you ask a question like, I wonder what's creating this? It's a very simple question. Like, what's creating this pain? Or what is creating this discomfort? And everything that is, destroy and uncreate it all. Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, nine shots, boys and beyonds. So what we do with that is we clear 50,000 points of views at one go in one single bar session, and 50 years of crap is gone in a bar session. And when you run the clearing statement, it clears everything that held on to the previous point of view that has it creating this point of view that is now a limitation in your life. It's like a ripple effect. Like if you bought a point of view from Kanika, and Kanika bought a point from Tamanna, bought a point of view from Priyadarshini, and Priyadarshini from Asha from Bela, and so on, so on, so forth. And each one of you gets cleared. So you really are being a beautiful gift to the world by clearing your points of views, because you don't know how many people get cleared off that point of view as you clear yourself. And as you clear yourself of points of views, what you start to create is space. And we use that term a lot in Access. So for you who haven't done bars, you'd wonder what is space? Is it emptiness? It's like, space is like that. How should I explain it to you? It is like emptiness, yet it's more of a void. It's not an emptiness of being alone. It's an emptiness of having a void of where everything is now possible because you are looking at everything the way it is instead of having points of views of how it should be. It's when we have points of views of how something should be that we don't create, we don't allow ourselves to receive, we don't allow ourselves to create, because everything has to match our points of views. So what the foundation does, and that's what the bars does, right? The bars class. And if you haven't done a bars class, guys, get yourselves to one. Get yourselves to one. It will totally change your life. And the foundation is the next class that we do after the bars class. The bars is a prereq for the foundation class, which is a 4 days class. It was never allowed. We were not allowed to do it online before. But thanks to Corona, what a gift, we can now do it online. And we can also do it with over 6 days, which we are now looking at doing it for different parts of the world, different, for everyone to be able to join us. We're doing it from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. India time. And that I think would be 12:30 for Hong Kong, if I'm not mistaken.
1 o'clock.
1 o'clock, okay. All right.
Is it 10 a.m.? You said 10 a.m.?
Yeah, 10
So
a.m.
that's like 12:30, yes, right.
12:30, right? Yeah, 12:30 onwards. So
3 hours every day? 3 hours every day? Is
yeah,
it 3?
it'll be 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 4 hours.
4
But-
hours.
But we have a half an hour, 40-minute break in between.
Okay.
And it's going to be over 6 days. And what we're going to do is we're going to actually destroy and uncreate any limitation that you have around whether it's your body, whether it's your financial reality, whether it's your business, whether it's your relationships, whether you're stuck in a situation that you feel you can't change because it may be something to do with your past life, maybe something to do with lots of oaths and vows and communalities, realities, or blood oaths or promises that you made in some lifetime to something or to somebody, for whatever reasons you did. It's not even important to go into the reasons. That's the beauty of this. It's not even important to see why is this happening to me, because every time we do a why is this happening to me, we just make that more significant. We make the reason more significant than the possibility of change. And we find ourselves stuck in that instead of being able to change it. So what we do in the foundation is we literally have a wonderful time together. We chat, we converse, we run clearing statements around any and every limitation. You get a beautiful, really thick foundation manual, which also includes about 6 or 7 body processes.
Chanda, how do we get the manual? As in, do you mail it to us?
Yes, I will mail the PDF to you. You will be also mailed the certificate and you will be registered. You get everything, whatever you get in a live class, you get everything on an online class. Okay. In fact, a lot of people are finding the online classes, people who've done the foundation before and then they wanted to repeat it. A lot of them are also finding the online class a little more intense than the regular one, because this is really about being present and no way of escaping. It's like, when we're having this conversation, did you say you can't run away from me? It's like, even if you tried to, you couldn't run away from me. And that's pretty much what an online foundation does. It won't allow you to run away from what is stopping you from choosing different. So when you don't run away from it, you kind of change it.
Right.
Yeah. And we have some wonderful body processes, which we will teach you to run. And these body processes are really magical.
MTVSs.
Yeah, amazing. We have MTVSs, we have cellular memory, we have molecular demanifestation. We have some really wonderful ones, and these body processes, along with the foundation classes that I would do, and I've sat in many foundation classes. Of course, I've been facilitating for over a few years now. But before I became a certified facilitator, I sat in a foundation class almost every other month because I was just wanting to change my body. I was like, this is changing now. And when I couldn't get myself to a foundation class because it was only live at that time, I would actually listen to the replays again and again and again. And even if I wouldn't hear it cognitively, I would just play it in my house. So the energies were constantly, constantly changing. And you know, it starts with you think is just about you, or you think you're just bringing your body to a class, but it's really about your entire reality changing. So whoever's included in your reality, your parents, your kids, your spouses, your home, your staff, your everything, your business, everything changes because you as a being change.
So, guys, Chandana has also authored 3 books. I have one here right now with me. So it's called
Thank you.
Choose Freedom. Okay, it's a wonderful book, not only for children but for us also.
Yeah.
She's written something on breaking away from pain points, which she wrote like a couple of years back because of her fibromyalgia and how it got cured, the tools that she used. And there's another one called The Elegance of Being a Bitch. It's an amazing book. She did a free book read with us. So yeah, you know, that bitch, the word has so much judgment. So it's about elegance of being a bitch. So yeah, so these 3 books she's authored and many more. I guess she's authored beautiful books for children also, called the Sishu series, right?
Series, yeah. They're for
Series,
little
yeah.
babies. They're like the
Yeah.
stories for kids.
Yeah. My children have read those books. So yeah, I mean, all I can say is like, yeah, amazing author too.
Thank you, Kanika. Thank you, darling. Yes. And really, it's about, guys, the less said about, the more said, the whatever, how much I may say about access is too little. It's just too little. So, there any questions?
So, Chanda, I just wanted to know, is the current foundation totally different to what we had like in 2019 or almost
Yeah, the
similar?
foundation changes. So the foundation, this foundation that we're going to be doing is going to be a very new foundation. It's the latest manual. It's the latest tools, and we have some wonderful topics in the foundation class. Actually, there's some really some wonderful ones. We have on the immortal being versus the, you know, the infinite being versus the immortal soul. Then we have the oaths and vows, communalities, realities. Then we also have some wonderful ones on projections and expectations. And there's so many. Then we have one on relationships, the 5 elements of relationships. Then we have one on sex and the elements of sex. We have one on money. We have on the body and a whole lot of other topics. There's so many topics. Yeah.
Great.
Hi, Chandana. This is Bela here.
Hi, Bela.
Just wanted to ask you that can we do excess bars? Can we run excess bars in distance? Somebody has to be physically present there.
Yeah, you know, the bars you can only run with by touching. Bars don't work from a distance because your body likes to be touched. The body likes to receive by being touched.
Right. And how is it different from EFT tapping?
I haven't done EFT, honey. I really don't know, but I do know from what people share. I haven't done any of the modalities as such. The only thing that I did was Reiki, and then I did Lama Fera, and then I didn't do anything else really. But from what people talk about the difference, I can share with you what they say. One, they say that access is much faster than any other modality, and it's much easier because it's not about having the right time or the right place to do it. It's more of you make that a way of your life. It's like you start to be the tools instead of the need to use the tools.
Right. And I'm sorry I joined a bit late. I just wanted to check with you that, you know, mostly people come because I'm a Reiki practitioner as well. So mostly people come for like kind of a physical issues, right?
Yeah.
So this also takes care of that?
Yes, it does. Yes,
Right.
it does, sweetheart. Like I was sharing before you joined that I cured myself of fibromyalgia with this.
Mhm.
by just sitting in class, because that time I didn't even have the energy to run bars for people. So I never even used to really have time as such. But it's amazing um, how within a month, or I would say less than that, there was so much of strength in my body that with me running other people's bars, my body was changing. It
Yeah.
was like there was no need for me to catch someone to say, "Can you run my bars, please?" It would be like, "Hey, can I run your bars?"
Chanda, can I add here
Yeah,
something?
please.
If you run bars only to solve problems, then you're limiting the bar's ability to change your life. But if you're running bars just because the person can receive and it increases the receiving ability of a person, then choose bars, because if you fix bars, okay, I will do bars only to change so and so, then you're limiting bars. Okay, but if you're running bars to gain more awareness, to increase your receiving ability, for the overall health, then I think that's the bigger spectrum of what bars can create for you, rather than, okay, I have so and so problem, so I'll run bars. Then what you're doing is you're concising it, you're like limiting bars. For that matter, any body process or even foundation, if you're doing foundation only to solve some problem, then I think that you're limiting anything. Yeah. So I
Yeah,
thought I'll put that
yeah,
across.
thank you for that, Kanika. Because yes, what is really possible with the bars and foundation is so much beyond just the problem. Having said that, I chose the bars because I had a problem. I didn't come from a space of possibility, because after suffering for so many years, there was nothing known as possibility in my world. I was like, I just have a problem and I want to change this. So I did come from that space. Yet, like what Kanika is saying, when you are willing to receive from beyond the problem, and when you are like, okay, what else can I receive here? What else is possible with this? That includes whatever is changing for you. So if you have a problem with the body, yeah, that kind of will change too. But that will be just one of the things that changes along with everything else that changes for you. Thank
That's
you for that, Kanika. Yeah, because that really is the way the bars and the foundation, it brings into, it brings possibilities into your life where you thought there was nothing possible.
right. Okay, one more question. It might
Yes,
be a bit
please.
silly. I don't know.
Oh, no question,
Um,
silly darling, go for it.
so can we run the bars ourselves to ourselves as well? Like,
Yeah,
yeah, we can.
you can, but you can't run all. You can't run the full bar session on yourself. But see, what I do very often is I just sit with my three fingers behind my ears, behind the ridge, and I just say plan, ban, run. Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, vodka, line shots, boys and beyonds. And as I run that, oh my God, my body just goes into, it's so beautiful. Yeah. So you can run it for yourself. You can put your fingers here and just go healing run. Yeah,
Yeah.
you can run them every night. And once you've done the bars class, you can ask any 3 bars to attach to your power band and run all night.
Oh, I see. Okay. Thanks, Chandana.
You're
Thanks.
welcome, Bela. You're welcome. And if you haven't done the bars as yet, get yourselves to a class, guys. Whether you do it online or whether you do it live. I don't know if
So
live is possible right
the
now for you.
for foundation, the prereq is bars.
Yes.
So if you are choosing foundation, which is happening on the 12th, 13, 14, 6 days, right? 12 to 18.
Yes.
Then prereq is bars, and I'm sure you have bars facilitators in Hong Kong. Tamanna is one of them. And if you're planning to join foundation, then finish bars and then choose foundation. So that's a prereq. Yeah.
Oh, all right. Okay. Thanks. Thanks, Kanika.
So do we have
Priya,
any
Priya,
questions?
you had questions, right?
Yeah, I wanted to check about the content of the foundation, which I think you already told a bit, and also the timings, Chandana, because I work night shift in India. So by the time I wrap up, it's almost 4:35 in the morning. So if there's a flexibility of joining a little late, or because I know it'll if I join in a little late, it'll hamper the decorum of the session and all. So yeah, I just wanted to confirm on the timings and the dates. The dates, and now I'm
The
sure
dates
it's
are
from 12
confirmed,
to
12th to the 18th. And the reason we've made this a 6-day class instead of a 4-day is so we can, we can accommodate more people where timing is concerned, instead of having a full morning to evening class where, timings won't really work for everybody.
Right.
We're looking at 10 to 2, and we could always push it to 10:30 to 2:30.
Yeah.
If it works for
Yeah.
everyone. We are
Yeah.
okay with that,
That can
as
be
long
done.
as if it works for everyone.
Everyone.
This is it.
Yes. Yeah.
And later than that, I'm not sure if it would really contribute to everybody, with the timing.
Mm-hmm.
But if 10:30 to 2:30 works for you, and we will have like a 45-minute break at least.
Yeah. I think 10:30 should be fine.
Yeah, awesome.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Does that work for Hong Kong, Tamanna?
Yes.
10:30 would be like, say, 1 here? No,
Okay.
10:30, we are 2.5 hours, so it's 1 o'clock here.
1
So
o'clock.
you said it's 4 hours, right?
Yes.
It's 4 hours.
1
so
to 5.
5.
I think it should be okay. As for me, I might just on one of the days it could be a bit difficult because it's my daughter's 21st birthday coming up, and she's planned
Oh, nice.
a lot of things for herself, and she's like, you don't tell me access, don't tell me this, don't tell me that. So I said, let me find out the timings and move around. But
Right.
for the rest, I do not know because some of them are working.
Right. Yeah.
But will they be receiving a recording just in case if they're
Yes,
missing?
they will. Yes, they will. And if you want, if that's an issue with work, but Tamanna, what did you say? What time is your work?
I don't work.
No, not Tamanna. I meant Priya.
Priya.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What time do you go to work?
I wrap up by 5:30 in the morning.
And you start at?
6:30.
Okay.
37. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So no, I think 10 to 2 would be good. 10:30 to 2:30, which would be 1 to 5 for Hong Kong. And yes, you will get the replay, Tamanna. And even if you can't hop on for the full class, and if you miss certain parts, what we would definitely require is for you to hear it before the next day.
Right.
Because what happens sometimes is, you miss an hour or you miss half an hour, and then we've gone to a totally new space, and you are still stuck where you were when you left. So for you to be there with us, in the same space, for you to listen to the replay would be important.
Right.
Okay. Any more questions?
I think, guys, any more questions? Then we can wrap it up also.
I think it's cool.
I think it's good. Yeah.
Cool. Awesome.
Okay.
All right. Wonderful meeting you all. It's really been wonderful. And
Yeah.
I love what technology has done. Brought us all so much closer with,
Very true.
it's like, it's so beautiful. And I hope you all are safe and all is good at home. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Take care, guys.
Oh, okay. Thank you,
Chandana.
Chandana. Thank you so
Once
much.
again, Kanika, and thank you, Tamanna.
Thank you. Thank you, Kanika.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Right.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Tamanna.
Chandana.